protection. The proof of that is we have a little calf that is here. You can all see. So most of the time you see them far away in a farm. But today the calf is in the park. You can go and see the calf, just massage. We just fed the calf a milk. So we don't want to feed him too much also. So today's program is of Holi or a color festival. The life itself is very boring without any color. So if life has no colors, or if there is no varieties in life, you have to do every single thing, every single day, the same thing and nothing different. Ultimately you become bored. But Holi means not one color, not only red, but we have white, yellow, green, purple. So to celebrate these varieties of life. So this Holi or a color festival is uprooted from India. Most of you who are from India, you know about Holi. But some of us don't know how it came out. Ultimately we got the Holi because it was nice, but we forgot why it was celebrated. So this is being celebrated since 10,000 years almost. And it was reinforced by Lord Krishna himself. As you know, Krishna, who spoke Bhagavad Gita is a law book for everyone in India, especially from Hindu community. Or now, understanding the value of Bhagavad Gita, many of us accept that. So Lord Krishna was very fond of cows. If you look at the calf that is there, the calf is not in a position of defense and no one is afraid of the calf. I'm sure if there was a dog or a cat there, some children would have been afraid of. Because cow resembles love and compassion. It wants it to be loved and it loves everyone. So in India, cow is the symbol of love. And if you want to know that, you can go and just pet the baby. Baby will not say, don't touch me, get out. I'm resting. The baby doesn't say that. But any other babies, such as I said, cat and dog, they will do something to react if it is not your dog and cat. So Lord Krishna, who is also called Govinda, who gives pleasure to the cows, he played this color festival. Originally it started from Vrindavan. In the day of Holi, all the cows were decorated with different colors. And after the cows were decorated, the people decorated themselves. And they played the Holi. So, in the day of Holi, if you are wearing a nice dress, don't think that you will protect it. Color means you have to go with some colors. So, somebody will come to you and throw the color, but Lord Krishna wanted to teach the process of harmony. And festival is the only thing that brings everyone together. We may have disagreement with everything, but we all agree that nice festival and nice program is a common thing in life. And with that, because cow plays a very important role in our life. They have a very close relationship from the time of a birth. They start giving us the milk. And even as an old man, we don't mind drinking milk because they have very close relationship. The doctor will say to you, don't drink too much, don't eat too much, but drink the milk. So milk, because we have very close relationship with the cows in our life, we need to look after them. So this group is known as a Gosala group, or a group that believes in a cow protection. This is just a baby. We do have cows and the calves in a bigger scale in Gosala. If you want to know where they are and if you want to go and see them, you can just take some information from us and go and see them also. And we all agree with the principle of compassion, that we must be nice to everyone. So the compassion is not limited only to the humans. Especially being human, we are supposed to give protection to the other living entities that cannot protect itself. Just like a calf is there under the tree. The calf has no way of protecting itself unless we protect it. But the protector, forgetting our position as the protectors, start harming them. Where do they go? For their protection. So therefore Krishna taught this principle of protecting the innocent animal, especially those who have a very close relationship in our life, such as the cows. From birth to the death, we rely on them. So they are to be protected. And if you want to be part of this mission and in some way protect the animal, please come and see us and we can introduce you more to this program. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
So, thank you Ramprasad Prabhu about a great introduction about the Festival of Colors as well as Goshala. So definitely there are a few programs where how you can participate as well as help us in Goshala. There are many volunteer opportunity time to time. We do various events at Goshala, Food for Life event like what we are organizing over here. But you can help us also, it takes as little as, I would say, $21 just to feed a cow for the entire month. Definitely you can go to a restaurant, you can spend $50 for a family of 2 or 3 just to eat the food. Just think what you can donate with as little as $21 or $31, you can take care of cow for the entire month. For their medicine, for their shelter, and if you want to donate, be the monthly donor, please come forward and help us. And for entire year, it takes like $100 for their medical care for the entire year. So if you want to help, please come forward and see us at the Goshala booth, where we are displaying various type of books, as well as how you can be a volunteer, how you can be a donor, a monthly donor for Goshala program. So without any, I would say, further ado, and I would give the mic to Satya.